What's up YouTube, Alien Rides here. Today we have the Monster Pro electric wheel. This thing has a 24-inch tire. It's the biggest electric unicycle that's been released so far. It's gotten a lot of polarizing reviews, so some people like it, some people hate it. I'm going to tell you how it really is. Let's take a look. Subscribe and let's ride. All right guys, this is the Monster V3. It's served me really well, but in this box, you've got the new Monster Pro. So let's open it up. All right, let's open it up. Wow, incredible. And there it is, the Monster Pro. That's a big wheel. You've got the standard YZ power charger, 100 volts, 3 amps. With a battery this big, you really want a faster charger, maybe like a 10 amp charger. It's got some pretty wimpy pads. We need some power pads for that. All right guys, and there it is, the Gotway Monster Pro. It is big. So guys, because this is an early unit, we don't have the batteries in here yet. We have to install the batteries ourselves, and then we'll do that now, and we'll show you guys the internals. So let's go ahead and do that. All right guys, now we got the other side of this open. We got it turned on, you can see the lights going. The LEDs are pretty cool. 2 batteries here. Big mess of wires, motor cables, and you can see the board. Some big old caps on that board. There's the heat sink here. Oh yeah, we got a new little buzzer here too. Got some nice lights in the back too. It's pretty cool. That's what's going on. All right, let's take it out on our first ride. All right guys, so we just went out on a ride with the Monster Pro. It was pretty sweet. As you can see, we added this room sticker here. These are customizable and you can get any text on them. They're pretty cool. Mine say Alien Rides and I've got it twice on each side of the tire. So it makes it pretty unique, makes it yours. One thing we noticed during the ride is that this is a really heavy wheel. You need a lot of leverage to accelerate and brake, and it's really hard with these flimsy pads. So these are the stock pads here. And you just have no leverage to accelerate or brake. These are Clark pads. They fixed that because they've got this front pad you can accelerate, and they've got this rear pad that you can brake on. Really cool, and they're now adjustable. So if you got fat legs, if you got skinny legs, these will work for you. These just go on the wheel here. I'm actually gonna attach some Velcro to mine to make them really adjustable so I can move them around and see what works for me. So let me put some Velcro on it real quick. Velcro on the bigger spot here. So now we got Velcro into the bigger pieces, and we'll put Velcro on the wheel, and we're good. Went too fast on each side. A nice, slow, controlled rip off of these pads is much better than going fast. Much better. I just do my best to cut it to the shape of the pedal, and then you just stick both sides on there. And you can adjust them as needed. So I'll be experimenting a lot with the position of these pads, but we should be able to easily find something that works well for us. If you guys need help installing either the stickers or the pads, we do it at our shop at PEV Work, so feel free to have us do it for you. But yeah, we're gonna go take this out on a ride now and see how they work out for us. So this is an electric wheel from Begode. We may have said Gotway earlier, and that's what most folks still call them, but it looks like they're changing their branding to Begode. Let's hope that this wheel can be good. Gotway now makes the two largest wheels in existence, the 22-inch Monster V3 and the 24-inch Monster Pro. And for wheels, size does matter. For stability, cruising, comfort, and so much more. Now, not everyone will want a big wheel, and that's totally fine. People might not want it if they have to carry it upstairs, as it's crazy heavy, or maybe they just won't have the body weight to properly handle it. It weighs a whopping 88 pounds. That's almost 4 M103s or 14 walk cars. This heavy weight certainly affects handling, taking a lot more to maneuver, mount, and ride. For me though, this weight trade-off is totally worth it. The Monster Pro is my perfect weekend cruiser. I don't think I'd ever take it on a run to the store, but for long-range riding, absolutely. We recently rode from San Jose to San Francisco, and the Monster Pro was the perfect PEV for that. Alright guys, I get asked a lot of questions about where people should buy their first PEV, whether it's an electric unicycle, an electric scooter, or a bike, or whatever. And today we're going to announce the release of alienrides.com. So that's right, so we're now selling electric vehicles. We're going to be selling electric unicycles, electric scooters, electric bikes, and so many more things. We've got a small inventory available now for pre-order. So you can pre-order the Monster Pro there, you can pre-order any electric unicycle there, and we're going to have so many more things coming in the future. The one thing that we're going to do though that's different, we're going to offer a 2-year warranty. So no other place is offering a 2-year warranty. That's going to include shipping and service for anything that goes wrong, anything that makes your wheel unrideable. We really wanted to take care of the community, so making sure that we can keep you rolling for as long as possible. So that 2-year warranty should be huge. So definitely check out the site, and let's get back to the review. While the Monster Pro may handle simple trails just fine, it's definitely not for trick riding, and maybe not even extreme riding, just due to the weight of it. The larger wheel size really just hampers the torque. On roads though, it's simply amazing. You feel glued to the road and more stable than any other wheel I've tried. A huge battery enables this massive range. We've got a 3,600 watt-hour battery, the largest in the electric wheel world, and 400 watt-hours over the Sherman. While I do still love my veteran Sherman, the Monster Pro outclasses it for long-distance riding. Riding at a slow speed, you might get more than 60 miles of range, while riding hard at top speeds, you'll probably get about 40 miles of range or so. It's the range king. I take it out to rides, don't bother bringing a charger, and have zero range anxiety. Besides range, we've got an impressive top speed. Some people have been reporting top speeds of more than 53 miles per hour. This is the 50 mile per hour electric wheel. My personal top speed has been about 45 miles per hour or so, but I'm slowly easing into faster and faster speeds on this wheel. It gets to these speeds thanks to its 3,500 watt motor running at 100 volts. It's now using the hollow core motor style, which is a welcome change as long as they can get the bearing issues worked out. Previous versions of the Monster had an axle-nut, which seemed to always come loose, creating a maintenance nightmare. The Monster Pro comes with dual charge ports, but only a 3-amp charger. A much larger charger with the wheel would be a welcome change. Alright guys, one more thing I wanted to talk about that we did with this wheel is we got these Clark pedals. These are new pedals by Clark, and they're really cool. They got studs on the top. They're super lightweight, super durable, so we got a link to these in the video description, so definitely check these out as well. But I love these because it gives me a ton of grip. They really fit well with the pads, and yeah, they're just some awesome pedals. It has all the normal electric wheel features, like a lift sensor, trolley handle, Bluetooth speakers, and lights. I do think that the accent lights on the front and rear are quite nice, making it look great at night. There's different patterns that you can cycle through, but give me the bright RGB mode any day. I do think that the Monster Pro could use some durability improvements. I crashed once on it, and the end result wasn't pretty, but the wheel still functioned well. It's got sturdy internals with paper armor. Even after the crash though, I'll just replace some body panels and it will be as good as new. It will continue to be my favorite wheel, and I look forward to future rides on it. Alright guys, that's all we got for this episode on the Monster Pro. Definitely check it out at alienrides.com. Hope you all enjoyed the episode. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you all next time.